Let's talk about something we all do, but rarely stop to think about: touch. I'm not talking about a dramatic movie style embrace. I mean the small, casual stuff. A hand on a shoulder during a laugh, a playful nudge, a warm hug, hello. It turns out these tiny moments of contact are far more powerful than we realize. They're a secret language. And if you learn to speak it, it can completely transform your social and romantic connections. So why does this work? Well, it's not just speculation. It's science. Psychological studies have shown that a friendly, casual touch during a conversation actually makes people remember the interaction more fondly later on. Think about that for a second. A simple, appropriate touch can literally rewire someone's memory of you, casting a warmer, fuzzier glow over the whole event. It's like a mental shortcut to good vibes. Now, if you combine this power with a concept called social proof, you've got dynamite on your hands. Imagine you're at a gathering. You're warm and touchy, in a non-threatening way, of course, with one friend. Other people see this. Subconsciously, they register that you're a safe, friendly person to be physical with. It becomes normal. It becomes good. As one forum user aptly put it, this social proof is like a green light. They see another person comfortable with your touch, and it instantly makes them more comfortable with it. It's not about triggering jealousy. It's about building a sense of normalcy and safety. But, and this is the most crucial part, this isn't a license to be a desperate pervert. The entire magic trick hinges on one non-negotiable rule. You must pay attention to how she responds to you. I'll say it again because it can't be said enough. Pay attention to how she responds to you. This isn't a one-size-fits-all script. It's a dance. You start small. A handshake that lingers for a half second too long, a touch on the arm to emphasize a point, a quick hug when you say hello. You're testing the waters. Does she lean in? Does she reciprocate? Or does she stiffen up and pull away? Her body will tell you everything you need to know. If the non-sexual touching is well received, you can gradually and respectfully make it more intimate. A hand on the small of the back to guide her through a door for brushing off something from her cheek, touching her hand during a conversation. The goal is to set a mood from the very beginning. Why start a date with a formal, stiff handshake when you can start with a genuine, enthusiastic hug? That immediate physical contact breaks down barriers and shifts the atmosphere from polite strangers to warm friends in an instant. Enthusiasm, after all, is contagious. And it's versatile. Sitting across a small table, that's no barrier. The classic foot flirt might feel like a cliche from a rom-com, but it exists for a reason. A playful touch of the feet under the table done with a smile and eye contact can create an incredibly intimate and charged moment. It's a secret shared just between the two of you. Ultimately, kinesthetics can be the defining line between being seen as just a friend and being seen as a romantic possibility. It's the saving grace for the nice guy, who is often perceived as safe but non-sexual. When you're a safe person, touch with you feels good and comfortable. And before she knows it, that comfortable touch starts to feel exciting, then electrifying. It naturally leads her to wonder, if just touching him feels this good, what would more be like? It all boils down to a simple human truth. We are wired for connection. A protective arm around someone's back in a crowded bar isn't just about physical space. It's a signal that says, I see you, and I've got you. It's these small, conscious gestures of touch that build bridges, communicate intent without words, and create the kind of chemistry that can't be faked. So the next time you're in a conversation, remember the power you have at your fingertips. Literally. Be present, be observant, and don't be afraid to speak the unspoken language. You might be surprised by just how much it can say.